Okay, y'all. I'm back at it again. I will have to take a break real quick, give my baby some food. So hold it just like this. Be still. I put the hair through the loop. Loose. Somebody not listening. The camera lady not listening. She's gonna get popped. So she messed up my tutorial. Joking. But this is the hair. It's loop. I put it through the beater. I put it through the beater like this. And now it's time to put it out. I'm gonna let it go. I put it through like this. But see, it's too thick. So I put a piece of this hair. You see it? I'll put it through a piece of her hair like this. She gotta be her head. I'm gonna work with one hand here. And you watch this. Watch that loop disappear. It disappeared. And I pulled it back through. Here's the beater. Pull the beater through. See this loop right here? I'm sorry, I need a stand or something. But 2 pieces of hair through here. So I grab these 2. And I pull them through. This tutorial is gonna suck. This one didn't come through all the way. I'm working on one hand. But either way, it's still a natural. But do you agree? So, type of hair that I'm using. Biba Lock and Twist. So this is originally how thick it is. It's longer than this, but I cut it in half to kid. So this is how thick her piece is. It's very thin. And I'm gonna loop it like this, sideways. Yeah, please forgive me. I'm working with one hand. My daughter don't wanna hold the camera. She just wanna sit there and eat her chicken sandwich. Like she haven't ate it in a million years. And then I'm gonna loop it back in her head. See, this is the back of her head. It ain't gotta be all perfect. See, there go the loop again. The loop is right here. There go the loop. And I pull the beater back through. I'm gonna loop this on my pinky. Now you see the loop? That's the loop. And look what I'm doing. Simple. I could do it with one hand. Take this. Push that down. And simple. And I just do it through the whole head. I'm going to come back with another video. Show y'all better angles. Because I know, you really can't see what I'm doing. And in the back, I don't mind if it's showing the side. Because at the end of the day, the knots push down to cover her roots. The knots push down to cover her roots. She's a kid. It's going to be in ponytails half of the time anyway. But I'll be back to show you another video.